The green heart of Turkey. Kerem and Nihir loved adventures. This summer, their dedekinin promised them a special trip to Düzce, a green province in Turkey. Düzce means flat place, but it is full of hills and wonders, dedekinin said, pointing to a map. Their first stop was the Black Sea coast at Akakoka. The sea sparkled like blue glass. Düzce is one of the few places that has both tall mountains and a wide coastline, dedekinin explained. Feel that sea breeze. Kerem quickly raced down to the wet sand. He dipped his toes into the cool water. Nihir searched for shells, finding small, spiral treasures left by the tide. We could swim here all day, Kerem cheered. After the beach, they drove up, up, up. The air grew cooler and smelled like pine. Now we leave the coast for the hidden gems of the mountains, dedekinin announced. Düzce is famous for its natural parks and rich forests. Soon, they heard a roar, even before they saw it. They had arrived at Güzeldir waterfall. The water tumbled down, down, down over the rocks, turning into white mist at the bottom. Nihir felt the spray on her face. It sounds like 1,000 drums, she shouted, trying to be louder than the water. Dedekinin taught them that the forests around Düzce are home to many different kinds of trees, including ancient hornbeams and oaks. Their next stop was the highlands, a plateau called Purenli. It was a huge, flat meadow stretching between the peaks. The grass was deep green, and little wildflowers dotted the ground like confetti. Kerem took off running, feeling the soft earth beneath his feet. Nihir found a clear, running stream and tried to skip stones across the water. The only sounds were the birds and their happy laughter. See, children? Dedekinin said, watching them play. Düzce is a place of contrast. You can swim in the Black Sea in the morning and be hiking in the clouds in the afternoon. It is where green meets blue, and nature is everywhere. Kerem and Nihir knew they would always remember the secrets of Düzce, the breezy coast of Akakoka, the misty roar of Güzeldir, and the peaceful green magic of Purenli. It was truly a province full of wonders,